we have a vernier caliper once again. The question says, the diagram below shows a vernier caliper used to measure a physical quantity. This word is supposed to be physical. Okay, it's physical quantity. Okay, so this is our diagram. Okay, so we can see from where there is 4 here, what's the difference? For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so the difference, let's see, 0.1. Okay, 0.1, that's the difference. Okay, so on top we have a mini scale. Down here with a vernier scale. A mini scale is recorded in centimeters, while a vernier scale is recorded in millimeters. Okay, so the first, we have 2 questions here. The first one says, what is the reading of vernier caliper? Okay, so when you are told to propound the reading of the vernier caliper, it means you are told to calculate the vernier caliper, the reading of the vernier caliper. Question 2, what physical quantity the vernier caliper measure? Does the vernier caliper measure? This, the one supposed to be does. Okay, I mean does. Okay, does the vernier caliper measure? Okay, good. So let's start. Question A, we are told to tell the reading of the vernier caliper. Okay, let's go this side. Okay, let's check our diagram. So we have to count, since the difference is 0.1 and then here 4, so which means this is 3.9, 3.8, 3.7, 3.6. Okay, so 3.6, 3.7. So and then the law of vernier caliper says read the main scale before the 0 mark of vernier scale. Okay, then you see here, you see it's 3.7. See, why 3.7? 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9, 4. Okay, so this is 3.7 centimeters on top. So here we write 3.7 centimeters plus. Let's go to the vernier scale. 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, where the top part and the bottom part meets. Kakumana kali pansi kana kapoma matopanga kakwan kamozi. Okay, so we stop counting. So we say 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. So we record 0.3 millimeters. 0.3 millimeters. Okay, then we can't add centimeters and millimeters because they are unlike terms. Yet let's convert one. So let's convert these millimeters into centimeters. So if you're sharp enough, you can just convert it. So once you are given 0.3 0.3 millimeters, then you convert it into centimeters. Just add 0, say 0.03 centimeters, then you are done. Okay, but if you want this, the whole process, you have to say 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So then you have 0.3 millimeters this side of x, cross multiply. X times 10 will be 10x equals 0.1 times 0 0.3. So you divide both sides by 10, even this side 10. Okay, 10 into 0.3, that's a 0 point, and put a 10 there, a 0. 10 into 0.30 is a 0. You put a 0 again, so that when you say you want to remove this point, you say times 100. So our point will be here times 100. Our point will be the other side. Okay, so when you divide 10 into this one, in that number, you have a 3 here, 0.03. Okay, that's where we get our, that's how we converted this. Okay, so we can add now. 3 plus 0 is a 3, 7 plus 0 is a 7, then 3 plus 0 is a 3. You put centimeters units, so you get a mark there. It's 1 mark, right? Yeah, here is a mark, a 1 mark. Good. Let's see question B. What physical quantity does the vernier caliper measure? Okay, physical quantity, you can remember the time we started doing physics, we looked on this. So I have 2 here, so we can use vernier caliper to measure the diameter of the pen, a diameter of the pen. You can use you can use a micrometer screw gauge. The other thing, you can use a micrometer screw gauge to measure the internal diameter of the tube. Internal diameter of the tube. Yeah, so that's how you can use a micrometer screw gauge. Nevertheless, with this, home and dry.